Good morning. Hi, baby. There's my girl. There's my girl. Come here, honey. Come here. Good morning. I actually really like this fucking goat. It's crazy. I didn't know that goats were the biggest, baddest motherfuckers of all until Tech 9, you know? The goat. Maybe when I die, I will be reincarnated into a goat. And either that or a penguin, man. I just can't get over how they can just run up out of the water onto an iceberg like that and just run up and out of there. It's just crazy. They just like literally run up and out of the water. I want to do that too. No, what do you want to be? She would like to be a human next time. She's gonna put us inside of this cage, she says. Yeah, this is great. You know, when you're little, the animals are cute and everything. But the world just seems so much bigger. In fact, it was so big, I used to climb onto the top of that shed and hide from my mom. As you can see, it's very short. But now as an adult, I just can see the beauty in all of this in a different way. You're so beautiful, huh? Hi, Colton. I like this goat.